what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Hi fam, today we are harvesting white russet gold potatoes, okay y'all? So we planted them in March, and now y'all gonna see like us what they look like, okay? So that's what we finna do. We're gonna pull these white potatoes, okay? And that's why I'm down here on my knees, okay? And I'm gonna take y'all in a few minutes and I'm gonna pull a squash, and I have some cherry tomatoes over there to pull, and I have some store-bought potatoes and some more white russet gold potatoes in that small garden, right? But most of them are here in the big garden, okay y'all? So let's get to harvesting, okay fam? All right. And y'all will see like us what we have, y'all, and look at there, looky, okay? And this is my bowl. And we get, and you know what potatoes you get to, look at there, y'all. Look at there, y'all. Look at there, look at there, look at there.
I'm not sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before.
Look at there, y'all.
I don't know why I feel this way.
Whoa, whoa, y'all. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at there, y'all. Look at there.
It's all because of you.
And we knew they was ready, y'all, because they was up. And then we kept mounding them. So we said, let's get out there and pick them for while we got something to pick. Right? So like they say, harvest. And eat what you harvest, okay? And we gonna eat them. Okay. So you know what potatoes, you got to dig, right? Use your hands to dig. Even though I got these tubes here, but I don't need this right here. I don't need that right now because the soil is so soft and good. Okay. And I'm gonna pull up one more for y'all, and then I'm gonna let y'all see y'all. I'm gonna finish off. Look at that, y'all. Some of them are bigger than others. Okay. These are white russet gold seed potatoes. And I'm gonna finish harvesting them, and then I will let y'all see one more. Then I'll bring y'all back, okay? Okay, okay, fam, I'm gonna finish harvest, and I'll see y'all in a bit. Okay, hi, fam. Okay, I'm back at the smaller garden, okay? And I'm gonna harvest potatoes from here too, okay, y'all? Come on and look. And y'all already see the first ones I harvest right here in the bowl. Now these are the second ones, okay, y'all? All right. Let's see what we got in here. I put some store-bought ones in this one. So I think the seed potatoes work better. Okay, because ain't nothing in this one. Okay? from what I see. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I talked too soon. I spoke too soon, y'all. Okay, look at that. Okay. These are my asparagus. Don't want to mess with them. Look at these, y'all. The potatoes are way down here. Now remember, I put these in March of this year. Hey, look at them. They ain't grew all up under my tomatoes. Yeah, look at that. See? All right. I believe that's it for these. Okay, y'all? So, I don't want to disturb my tomatoes. Okay? Alrighty? So, I'm going to meet y'all over at the squash and my cherry tomatoes. Okay? Alright. Bye-bye. Okay, fam, I'm finna pick a few red cherry tomatoes. Y'all see all my green cherry tomatoes? They not red yet, but I have some at the bottom that is, and so I'm gonna harvest some of them. Okay, y'all? Kind of tightly clustered, y'all, but that's okay. You got it. This one ain't quite. This is red and pretty. This ain't quite red, but it'll turn on the counter. See? There you go. And that's it for the. Oh, we got a bunch of more down here, y'all. Gotta take my time. I don't want to take off ones that aren't ready. And I'm gonna just take these and let them turn in the house, okay? They'll turn. All right? Go. Y'all see that, okay? And then I'm gonna go over to the squash and pull a squash, okay, y'all? All right? Okay, fam, I'm here at my squash, okay, y'all? So y'all can see I have some small squash, not ready yet. And I have a large squash that I've been waiting to harvest. And I want to let y'all know, if you didn't know, what the difference between the female and the male. This is a female one, and it'll have the fruit on the bottom, the squash, okay? And this is a male one that has no fruit on it, okay? Alrighty? And this is the squash I've been wanting to harvest, okay, y'all? Alright? And that is my harvest for the day. And I have some small zucchinis, but they're not ready yet. Small zucchini. Okay, fam? So, that is my harvest for the day. Okay, fam? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is our harvest, y'all, for the day. Okay? All right, y'all. Be blessed. All right. Bye.